Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your external domain to your website on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. If you're like me, you already have a website added using a temporary domain, you can click on Manage, then jump to Domains page or tab. Then click on Add Domain. Then enter your domain name here. In my case, my domain name or my external domain name is benstutorial.com. This domain is registered on Hostinger. Click on Continue. You have successfully added your domain name to this site. Here, if I try to visit my new domain name, I will see this error page because I have a DNS error, which stands for domain name servers. Here, this error means that Bluehost knows about my domain name, but Hostinger does not know about where my website is hosted. So I need to log in to my Hostinger account. In your case, it may be a different domain name provider. It can be GoDaddy, Namecheap, whatever. It's the same thing. Click on Finish Connection. Those are the current one that I need to remove, and I need to use those from Bluehost. Now click on Copy on the first name server. Then log in to your domain name provider. In my case, it's Hostinger. Go to Domains. Let's close this. As you see, this is my domain name. I am trying to connect to my website on Bluehost. Click on Manage. Then go to DNS/name servers. And below name servers, click on Change Name Servers button. Instead of using Hostinger name servers, I want to change them to the Bluehost ones. Delete the existing one and copy the first name server. Same thing with the second name server. I will delete it like that. Paste. Yes, now NS1, NS2. Now click on Save. Name servers changed, and they are changed to the ones or those two ones. And as you see, this change can take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to new name servers. This means that this process can take up to 24 hours for the domain to be connected with your website on Bluehost. Now you can close this window, return back to Bluehost. Click on Verify Connection. They are, as you see, I had the green check mark. Correct DNS records detected. Waiting for DNS to propagate. Click on Save Changes. Now let's give my domain name a visit. Now, as you see, it was changed from this error, which is about DNS, to this error certificate. This is a certificate error, which means that my SSL status is my SSL certificate is still being installed. When the status change from in progress to completed or installed, my website will become accessible using the HTTPS. Let's give it a visit using only HTTP. Unfortunately, Bluehost redirects me to the secured version of my website. This means that we jumped the DNS propagation period, and I am now waiting for the SSL certificate to be fully installed. Let's refresh this page. My SSL certificate installation is still in progress, and this is how to connect. By the way, the verification or the DNS propagation duration can take up to 24 hours. As you see in my case, it was almost instantly. And for the SSL certification, it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Here, if you see this error, this means that you jumped or you crossed the long waiting period. I forgot to let you know that for the name server change, this will differ from the different user interface for each domain name provider. What you should looking for is name servers. If you don't know how to locate it or how to locate this page on your domain name on your different domain name provider, simply look for how to change name server for GoDaddy or for Namecheap, for example. Add your domain name provider name and look, and you will get a detailed tutorial or page or article that shows you exactly how to land on this name servers page for your own domain name provider. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.